Welcome to Kalinga Tutorial Santikanan Lane near FM College, Baleshwar. Online classroom for plus 2 science second year students.
लास्ट क्लास में डॉक्टर रमन लाइन बाय लाइन डिस्कसन करथिलु बाकी गोटे यूनिट अच्छी ताको डिस्कसन कर सला परे से पांचटा यूनिट रे कोन कोन ग्रामर अछि हमें डिस्कसन करबा. ऑन हिज वे होम he stopped for a moment at his hospital. तापरे डॉक्टर रमन गोपाल पाखर गोपाल घर तो हॉस्पिटल को आसिले कॉल्ड आउट द असिस्टेंट को कहले you might expect the collapse any second now. Go there with a tube in hand and give it in case the struggle is too hard at the hurry up. अर्थात here collapse means death. तो डॉक्टर अमर असिस्टेंट को कहवा कथा होची जे जेकोसी मुहूर्त रे गोपाल मृत्यु हो जाय पारे. Next morning he was back at Lawley Extension. तापर दिन डॉक्टर अमर निजे where गोपाल was living जो गोपाल रहउतले से जगह गले. From his car he made a dash means quick run. खूब जोरे दौड़ी के गले. The patient was awake and looked very well. तापर जाई देखले रोगी तो भारी बढ़िया देखा जाउछ. The assistant reported satisfactory pulse. तापर असिस्टेंट पल्स टा चेक कले. The doctor put his tube. डॉक्टर अमर निजे चेक कले and listened for a while. Told the sick man's wife. गोपाल स्त्री को कहले don't look so unhappy. आ दुख करिवार नहीं. योर हस्बैंड विल लिव टू बी 90 90 वर्ष पर्यंत तो तुम स्वामी को किसी प्रॉब्लम हम नहीं. सो व्हेन दे वर गोइंग बैक टू द हॉस्पिटल जते बेले से फेरुतले डॉक्टर रमन और असिस्टेंट द असिस्टेंट सिटिंग बिसाइड हिम इन द कार आस्क्ड यू गोइंग टू लिव सर. से असिस्टेंट पतले डॉक्टर रमन को सर सतर कोन गोपाल बंचिबो आई विल बेट. से डॉक्टर रमन असिस्टेंट को कहले मु बेट चैलेंज नहीं कहूँ डेफिनेटली से बचे. शी लिव टू बी 90. शी हैज टर्न द कॉर्नर. से ऑलरेडी क्रिटिकल आवर पास कर जाए. हाउ ही हैज सर्वाइव्ड द अटैक केमिति से बंचला इट इज पजल फॉर मी जोटा कि मो पाई होची बड़ा पजल. एटा हम लास्ट यूनिट डिस्कशन कलु तो यही डॉक्टर वर्ड्स कौन कौन ग्रामर अच्छी आम ताको डिस्कशन करवा. Save. It is a verb. जहाँ भी डिस्कशन आम ग्रामर करूँ ये डॉक्टर वार्ड है ग्रामर भोकाबुलरी जोटा करेक्टर एसेंशियल अच्छी ये जो वर्ब रे यार फ्रेजल फॉर्मटा होची ले बाय. सेव रो फ्रेजल फॉर्म होची ले बाय. एग्री. एग्री इज ए वर्ब. यही भर पर कौन 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 प्रिपोजिशन लगी पार आम डिस्कसन करवा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एग्री विथ देन एग्री टू देन एग्री ऑन एग्री पर कौन कौन प्रिपोजिशन लगी पार विथ टू ऑन तो लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल I have agree with you that means person to person interaction जो ठीक है with पे लगे agree to means ଗୋଟେ proposal रे agree हवा ଗୋଟେ proposal रे agree हवा जोटा agree to means she is not agreed to her proposal ता proposal से राजी न थे इडाला agree to agree न हला कौन सी टॉपिक रे डिस्कशन करबा he has agreed on that matter. So different examples let us see agree with, agree to and agree on. So these are very important for correct the error. Visit means color. This is phrasal verb and visit is verb. Breed. Breed means created. So this is V1. And the V2 is, this is V2 and the V3 is, so breed means creator, VRED V1, VRED V2 and VRED V3. Generally we use has and have before verb 3. The verb 3 will be used with has or have. जोटा हमें past participle को एटा सब बेले हमें इतने यूज करो has, had and had. ये auxiliary verb नहीं verb 3 टा यूज करा जाए. Practice. सी प्रैक्टिस सी जोटा कि आम नाउन कहवा वर्ब रे से एसी एटा ला वर्ब जेमिति आम एडवाइस advice. C ADVIC যেটা হচ্ছে নাউন ADVIAC যেটা হচ্ছে ভার্ব. So let us see the example. He gave me advice. This is noun. He advised me to work hard. This is verb. This is the difference between she is noun and she is verb. Value. As a verb, the sentence is India has been valued her culture. In this sentence here value means verb, a value of verb is and a noun re his value is decreasing. In this sentence this is noun and in this sentence this is verb. So to meet the correct diagram, definitely these grammars are to be remembered sincerely. Stat. After stat we use the preposition into, and after roast we use the preposition to. Dr. Rama rushed to Gopal's house. We are stepping into success. Hope. The antonym of hope is despair. Hope माने जो आशा, तार एंटोनिम तो हम निराशा. Read. Read रे phrasal verb डाला go through. These are the grammars of ये जो आमे जो चैप्टर पढ़िलु डॉक्टर रमन से डॉक्टर रमन रे कौन कौन ग्रामर सब अछि प्रीपोजिशन कौन फ्रेजल वर्ब कौन एवं नाउन कौन वर्ब कौन से विषय में डिस्कस करछु. Very simple, we know tell, it is verb. But in a noun, it will be tell, means story. It is a fairy tale, we say, that means story. It is tell, T-E-L-L, tell means this is verb. Each other and one another. So we use each other in case of two. In case of two we use each other. And more than two, we use one another. So let us see the different examples. Rama and Sita love each other. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita love one another. Just to see the two sentences. In the first sentence, Ram and Sita means between two. दुई जन का भीतर थिले आम यूज करू each other, and whereas दुई रु अधिक सब्जेक्ट थिले आम यूज करू one another. It is most important for character. Advice, phrasal verb. Call upon. Man is a noun in a sentence. Man is mortal. This is noun, and as a verb it will be that the college is manned by 30 lecturers. The college is manned by means managed by. Here manned by means managed by. Do is a verb. Generally you know as a auxiliary verb we use D, and also main verb we use. And the noun form of do is did. This is did. तो ये did रे माने है कर्म. Example, he has been famous for his noble deeds. अर्थात महत् कर्म पाई से फेमस है. नोबल डीड्स मीन्स महत् कर्म. lie. It is a verb. Lie, lied, lied. So lie means जो मिछ कहवा V1 lie, it is V2, then V3. To tell false. Next to lie, lay, lame. So meaning is different. Here lie means podi raheba and here lie means micha kaheba. So you have to remember that to tell false means lie, lied, lied, and laying in bed means lay, V2 lay, lay, and V3 lain. Then sink. This is V1. Sank. This is V2. Sunk. This is V3. On any account. Next sentence. So there are 2 marks sentence making in council exam. Council exam रे 2 mark sentence में पढ़ियो. Also लिखियो we have to follow the textbooks for the phrase. He should not be disturbed on any account. Never. Generally we know that never is a negative adverb. Never, seldom, rarely, scarcely. These are called negative adverbs. Adverbs means क्रिया विशेषण. तो verb को जो क्वालिफाई करे सेटा adverb आगु मु डिस्कशन करिछि. सपोज गुड एग्जांपल he came quickly. In the sentence it is subject, this is verb, it is subject and it is adverb. Verb को जो क्वालिफाई करे adverb. So never, seldom, rarely, scarcely. These are called negative adverb. So how they used in a sentence, this is important. That means in case of first positions, when they are used, when the negative adverbs the negative adverbs टिके खाली गोटे मिनट पछाटे बंद कर मैं तौक जो मुह बोले टिके खाली गोटे मिनट निया लगला रंग जुड़ लगला मुझे when the negative adverbs are used at the beginning of the sentence, there will be inversion between subject and verb. When the negative adverbs are used at the beginning of the sentence, there will be inversion between subject and verb. जिते बेले भी यूज करा नेगेटिव एडवर्ब द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेंटेंस तो सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब भितर जोटा कि इंटरचेंज हम दैट मीन्स एग्जांपल सपोज आई हैव नेवर बीन टू दिल्ली just in the sentence never is negative adverb. When it is used at the beginning of the sentence, the structure will be negative adverb plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. This will be the appropriate structure. First negative adverb, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then main verb. So that first negative adverb means never, then auxiliary means have, never have, then subject means I, been to Delhi. So this is very important in correct grammar. Another example. Suppose we seldom go out. In the sentence, seldom is negative adverb. So first of all, we have to take negative adverb seldom. Then in the sentence, there is no auxiliary verb. So where there are no auxiliary verb, we have to take do, does, did. मैंने जो वाक्य ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब नथिबो आमको डू डज डिड अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस नबा पड़िबो जेहेतु एटी वर्ब टा गो अछि तेनो हमको ऑक्सिलरी हिसाब रे एही डू टा को नबा पड़िबो सेल्डम डू वी गो आउट इफ ए जगह जदि सब्जेक्ट चेंज हो जाता ही he seldom goes out. तो डेफिनेटली ए जगह गोज दो जगह डज आस्ता जदि ये वेंट था डेफिनेटली डज परिवर्तन ये डिड तो जोटी ऑक्सिलरी फॉर्म नथिबो हमको डू डज और डिड ए तीनटी नबाको पड़िबो. These are the examples of different examples of using negative adverb in sentence. Then the word apology. According to textbook, apology, this is noun. क्षमा प्रार्थना करबे. In verb it will be apologize. This is verb. Apologetically. This is adverb. And apologetic. This is adjective. So in noun we use apology. Means we have accepted his apology. We have accepted his apology. We should apologize for our mistakes. आम भूल पाई आमे क्षमा मांगवा उचित. We should apologize. Apologetically. They requested him apologetically and apologetic. They were apologetic and miserable. Apologetic and miserable. Then remove phrasal verb. Take off. Till and still. But what we use as a preposition, we use and just a subordinator. So when till is used as a verb, the meaning will be that cultivating. That means the farmer is tilling the land. The farmer is tilling the land. In the sentence here, tilling means cultivating. As like a still as a verb. Still the crying child. So here crying is adjective and still माने शांत करेगा. एठी मीनिंग ता होचे शांत करेगा. एंड हियर टिल मीनिंग है कल्टिवेटिंग बा चाष करवा। लीड जोटा लीडिंग दबा आग को जीवा सो इट इज V1 लेट V2 लेट V3 स्टे इट इज a verb. So the phrasal verb is put up, and as a noun in sentence it is used like that way. The government has a stay. On regarding the case, your stay means noun but not verb. As a verb, he is staying in his village. He is staying in his village. In sentence it is verb. Tolerate और bear माने सहीबा जो टाइम कहवा तो फ्रेजल वर्ब होची put up with. Misery, this is noun. Misery means dukha. It is a noun. In adjective, that should be miserable. तो हमें जति के ग्रामर की डिस्कशन कलु इस टॉपिक रे, so that is very important. तो ए विषय रे कौन ग्रामर थिला हमें डिस्कशन कलु ना फ्रेजल वर्ब, प्रीपोजिशन, फ्रेजल वर्ब, नाउन, वर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, यूजिंग ऑफ नेगेटिव एडवर्ब. एतिक ग्रामर आम डिस्कसन कल आरंभ कर चेंज कर दे